Iceland, a land of extremes, fire meets ice. Volcanoes erupt near glaciers. It's a place of raw, untamed beauty. And nowhere is this more evident than in Reykjadalur Valley. This valley, near the town of Reykjadalur, is a geothermal wonderland. It's just a short drive from the capital, Reykjavik, but it feels like a world away. As you approach Reykjadalur, you see it. Steam rises from the earth. The air smells of sulfur. It's a sign of the geothermal activity below. The ground itself is alive here. The valley opens up before you. The landscape is stark but beautiful. Rolling hills are covered in moss and volcanic rock. The path winds through it all, leading you deeper into the heart of the valley. The hike into Reykjadalur is an adventure. The trail follows a well-worn path. You navigate wooden bridges and rocky slopes. All around you, the earth steams and hisses. The air is alive with the sound of rushing water. Small streams, heated by the earth, flow alongside the path. These streams merge with the main attraction of the valley, the hot springs. The hot springs of Reykjadalur are not your average pools. They are a series of milky blue streams. The water flows down the valley, creating natural hot tubs. You can't resist dipping your toes in. The water is hot, almost too hot to touch in some places. But it's invigorating. The minerals in the water are said to have healing properties. Sitting in the hot springs, you feel it, the power of the earth. This valley is a reminder that nature is a force to be reckoned with. It's both beautiful and dangerous. The steam rises around you, obscuring the view. For a moment you feel like you've stepped back in time, to a time when humans lived closer to the earth. Section 6. A land untamed. Reykjadalur is a place where you can truly connect with nature. It's a place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, to reconnect with something primal. The landscape is stark and unforgiving, but it's also incredibly beautiful. It's a reminder that the world is a vast and wondrous place. Section 7. Reflections in the steam. As you hike back out of the valley, you can't help but reflect on the power of nature, on the beauty of Iceland, on the importance of respecting the wild. Reykjadalur is a place that stays with you, long after you've left. It's a memory you carry with you, a reminder of the raw, untamed beauty of the world. Section 8. Respecting the wild. Remember, when visiting places like Reykjadalur, respect is key. Stick to marked paths, pack out what you pack in, leave no trace of your presence. These small actions help preserve these pristine environments for future generations to enjoy. Let's keep these wild places wild. Section 9. Until next time, Reykjadalur. As you leave Reykjadalur behind, you know one thing: you'll be back. This magical valley has captured a part of you, and you can't wait to experience its wonders again. Until next time, Reykjadalur, stay wild.